Now we will explore the media library in WordPress, and this is where we can upload images and all kinds of media files in WordPress. So we go to the left menu and we click media. And before we uploaded this favicon, so it's already in our media library. And to add new media files, we just click add new. And then you can actually download all the images used in this tutorial. It's linked in the description below this video, and you can upload them to follow along. So I will open my Finder. Here we go. And I can just mark them all. And we don't need to upload the favicon again, so I will just remove that one. And I will drag this and I will drop it. Now all the images will be uploaded here, and it could take a little while because there are a lot of media files and images here. We have some really nice custom icons here, and we have our site logo, and we have some dummy logos for our clients, and we also have some really nice photos here. And these photos I've downloaded from a site called pexels.com. pexels.com. So that's a free photo site where you can download and use professional photos for your website, and you don't need to have any mention of the photograph or any credentials. You can just use them freely on commercial websites if you want to. Here we go, we have all our media files uploaded, and if I want to see them in a list, I can just click this icon. And I will see them in this way. I can see who uploaded the files, and I can see if they are attached to a special post or page, and I can see when they were uploaded. You could also click an image, for example this man, and you can also see the file size and the dimensions. And if you want to, you can click edit image, and here you can crop it. And you can also scale it if you want to reduce the size of the image. So here you have some tools, but we're good for now. So I'll just go back here to the media library. So you can also upload video files, PDF files, or basically not any file format, because there are some security restrictions here, but you can upload most media formats that you need to work with. You can also use all these images and icons. They are free of charge to use for you if you want to have them on your website as well.